ఏపీ గ్రామ వార్డు సచివాలయానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ పోస్ట్ సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో నేను ఇప్పుడు డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక మాక్ టెస్ట్ అనేటివి కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దీంట్లో చాలా బిట్స్ అనేటివి నేను గ్యాదర్ చేయడం జరిగింది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో వీటిలో మీకు 50% ఛాన్సెస్ అనేటివి ఉంటాయి మీరు రేపు ఎగ్జామ్లో అడిగేందుకు బిట్స్ అనేటివి. సో ఈ వీడియోని మీరు ఎండ్ వరకు క్లారిటీగా చూసినట్లయితే దీంట్లో నేను చాలా బిట్స్ అనేటివి మీకు కవర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మినిమం ఒక 500 బిట్స్ అనేటివి నేను ఈ మాక్ టెస్ట్లో మీకు కవర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్న వాడి గంట సింబల్ మోచడం ద్వారా నా మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ వీడియో పొందగలుగుతారు. సో ఈ వీడియో మీరు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎన్ని వరకు క్లారిటీగా చూసినట్లయితేనే మీకు ఈ వీడియో అర్థమవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు లెట్స్ బిగిన్ నౌ.
Access data. Option C. Complex programs have to be written for simple queries. Option D. All of the above. Answer is option A. Data is represented by tables. Option 3. Third bit. Some advantages of the database approaches include all but. Option A. Minimal data redundancy. Option B. Improved data consistency. Option C. Improved data sharing. Option D. Program data dependency. Answer is option D. Program data dependency. Fourth bit. An enterprise database is which of the following? Option A. Database designed to support only user externals. Option B. A database designed to support an entire organization. Option C. A database designed to support a relatively small group. Option D. A database designed to support a single PC. Answer is option B. A database designed to support an entire organization. Fifth bit. When using ODBC, which of the following serves as an intermediary between the application and the DBMS drivers? Option A. Data source. Option B. Driver. Option C. Driver manage. Option D. OLEDB. Answer is option C. Driver manage. Sixth bit. Structured data may include which of the following? Option A. Photo image. Option B. Video clip. Option C. Dates. Option D. None of the above. Answer is option C. Dates. Seventh bit. Dash is considered to be one of the foundations of data access in the Microsoft Word. Option A. ODBC. Option B. OLEDB. Option C. JPCD. Option D. ADO. Answer is B. OLEDB. Eighth bit. ODBC core SQL grammar contains which of the following? Option A. Insert, update, delete only. Option B. Stored procedures only. Option C. Full select includes subqueries only. Option D. Both 1 and 3 above are contained in the ODBC core SQL. Answer is D. Ninth bit. ODBC minimum SQL grammar contains which of the following? Option A. Insert, update, delete only. Option B. Stored procedure only. Option C. Literal for date, time, timestamp only. Option C. Create, view, drop, view only. Answer is option A. Insert, update, delete only. 10th bit. When using ODBMC, which of the following process? ODBC requests the submits specific SQL statements to a given type of data source. Option A. Data source. Option B. Driver. Option C. Driver manager. Option D. DBMS. Answer is option B. Driver. 11th bit. In ODBC, a file that can be shared among the database users is called a dash. Option A. System data source. Option B. File data source. Option C. User data source. Option D. SQL text file. Answer is B. File data source. 12th bit. In OLEDB, actions that any object can perform are called option A. Properties. Option B. Collections. Option C. Methods. Option D. Abstractions. Answer is C. Methods. In ODBC, a data source that is local to single computer is called a dash. Option A. System data source. Option B. File data source. Option C. User data source. Option D. SQL text file. 14th bit. The ODBC core API consists of which of the following functions? Option A, commit or rollback transactions only. Option B, connect to a data source with the driver specific information. Option C, connect to data source only. Answer is option D. Both 1 and 3 above are in the ODBC core API. Fifth bit, dash is the cover for utilizing OLEDB that is designed for use by almost any language. Option A, ODBC. Option B, ASP. Option C, JPCD. Option D, ADO. Answer is option D, ADO. 16th bit, the ODBC level 2 API contains which of the following functions? Option A, commit or rollback transactions only. Option B, connect to data source with driver specific information. Option C, connect to data source only. Option D, all of the above are contained in the ODBC level. Answer is option D. 17th bit, the ODBC level 1 API contains which of the following functions? Option A, browse possible connections and data source only. Option B, connect to the data source with driver specific information. Option C, process a scorable queries only. Option D, both 1 and 3 above are in the ODBC level 1 API. Answer is B. Option B, connect to the data sources with driver specific information. 18th bit, an ODBC data structure that identifies a database and the DBMS that processes is called an. Option A, data source. Option B, driver manage. Option C, driver. Option D, API. Answer is option A, data source. 19th bit, what Oracle backup and recover files contains user and system data? Option A, control file. Option B, data file. Option C, online reader file. Option D, offline reader file. Answer is option B, data file. 20th bit, option C, a primary key. Option D, surrogate key. Answer is option C, primary key. Third bit, for every relationship, how many possible types of actions are there when enforcing minimum coordinabilities? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 6. Answer is option D 6. Fourth bit, data administrations are responsible for a physical layer database design. Option B, managing technical issue in the database environment. Option C, overall management of data resource in an organization. Answer is option C, overall management of data resource in an organization. Which of the following types of databases are the most common? Option A, personal. Option B, work group. Option C, department. Option D, enterprise. Answer is option C, department. Sixth bit, which of the following is not one of the three ways to classify an action assertion? Option A, condition. Option B, integrity control. Option B, authorization. Answer is D, enabler. Seventh bit, which one of the following symbols is not used as an ERD? So option A, rectangle. Option B, oval. Option C, diamond. Option D, circle. Answer is option D, circle. Eighth bit, an oval represents which of the following is an EER? Option A, attribute. Option B, entity. Option C, optimal one. Option D, relationship. Answer is option A, attribute. Ninth bit, an action ascertain must include which of the following? Answer A, anchor object. Option B, action. Option C, corresponding object. Option D, all of the above. 10th bit, the identifier of an entity will become the dash of the new table. Option A, foreign key. Option B, main attribute. Option C, primary key. Option D, identity key. Answer is C, primary key. 11th bit, inheritance is which of the following? Option A, when a supertype entity inherits value of the subtype. Option B, when a subtype entity inheritance value of the supertype. Option C, when a supertype entity inheritance value of another supertype. Option D, when a subtype entity inherits value of another subtype. Answer is option B, when a subtype entity inheritance value of supertype. 12th bit, a subtype entity name should be which of the following? Option A, singular noun. Option B, specific to the organization. Option C, concise. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. 13th bit, an enterprise data model is dash. Option A graphical model that shows the high level entities. Option B, graphical model that shows all entities for an organization. Option C, a non-graphical model that shows the high level entities. Option D, a non-graphical model that shows the all entities. Answer is option A, graphical model that shows the high level entities. 14th bit, a supertype or subtype hierarchy is which of the following? Option A, each subtype has only one attribute. Option B, each supertype has only one attribute. Option C, each subtype has only one supertype. Option D, each supertype has only one subtype. Answer is option C, each subtype has only one supertype. 15th bit, when an entity instance must be a member of only one subtype, it is which of the following? Option A, disjoint with total specialization. Option B, disjoint with partial specialization. Option C, overlap with total specialization. Option D, overlap with partial specialization. Answer is option A, disjoint with total specialization. 16th bit, a shared database should be option A, be accurate and available. Option B, provide for backup and recovery. Option C, be secure. Option D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 17th bit, when an entity instantaneous may be member of multiple subtypes or it does not have be a member of subtype, it is which of the following? Option A, disjoint with the total specialization. Option B, disjoint with the partial specialization. Option C, overlap with total specialization. Answer is C, overlap with total specialization. 18th bit, a rectangular represents which of the following in an WER? Option A, attribute. Option B, entity. Option C, optional one. Option D, relationship. Answer is option B, entity. 19th bit, which of the following statements concerning the business rules insert? Third bit, to remove duplicate rows from the results of an SQL select statement, the qualifier specified must be included. Option A, only. Option B, unique. Option C, distinct. Option D, single. Answer is option C, distinct. Fourth bit, which of the following are 5 built-in a functions provided by SQL? Option A, count, sum, avg, max or min. Option B, sum, avg, min, max, comma, mult. Option C, sum, avg, comma, mult, division, comma, min. Option D, summation, average, minimum, max, name. Answer is option A, count, sum, average, max, minimum. Fifth bit, SQL data definition commands make up an dash. Option A, DDL. Option D, PDML. Option C, HTML. Option D, XML. Answer is option A, DDL. Sixth bit, in a 1:n relationship, the foreign key is placed in option A, at the table without specifying parent and child tables. Option B, the parent table. Option C, the child table. Answer is option C, the child table. Seventh bit, normalization dash data duplication. Option A, eliminates. Option B, reduces. Option C, increases. Option D, maximizes. Option A, eliminates. Eighth bit, most of the time modification anomalies are serious enough that tables should be normalized into dash. Option A, 1NF. Option B, 2NF. Option C, 3NF. Option D, 4NF. Answer is option D, 4NF. Ninth bit, which of the following column properties specifies whether or not cells in a column must contain a data value? Option A, null status. Option B, data type. Option C, default value. Option D, data constraint. Answer is option A, null status. 10th bit, a primary key should be defined as option A, null. Option B, not null. Option C, either of the above can be used. Option D, none of the above. Option B, not null. 11th bit, which of the following column properties would be used to specify that cells in a column must contain a monetary value? Option A, null status. Option B, data type. Option C, default value. Option C, data constraint. Answer is option B, data type. 12th bit, the SQL statements, the queries or reads data from a table is dash. Option A, select. Option B, read. Option C, query. Option D, none of the above is correct. Answer is option A, select. 30th bit, which one of the following sorts rows in a SQL? Option A, sort by. Option B, ALGN by. Option C, order by. Option D, group by. Answer is option C, order by. 14th bit, the having clause does which of the following? Option A, acts like where clause but is used for the groups rather. Option B, acts like where clause but is used for the rows rather. Option C, acts like where clause but is used for the columns rather. Option D, acts exactly like where a clause. Answer is A, acts like where class but is caused for the groups rather. 15th bit, the SQL alert statement can be used to option A, change the table structure. Option B, change the table data. Option C, add rows to the table. Option D, delete the rows from the table. Answer is option A, change the table structure. 16th bit, which of the following data constraints would be used to specify that the value of cells in a column must be one of a specific set of possible values? Option A, domain constraint. Option B, range constraint. Option C, an interrelation constraint. Option D, an interrelation. Answer is option A, domain constraint. 17th bit, the SQL where clause. Option A, limits the column data that are returned. Option B, limits the row data are returned. Option C, both A and B are correct. Option D, neither A nor B are correct. Answer B, limits the row data are returned. 18th bit, a foreign key is. Option A column is containing the primary key of another table. Option B, is used to define data types. Option C, used to define null status. Option D, all of the above are above correct. Answer is a column containing the primary key of another table. 19th bit, on update cascade, entities can be associated with one another in which of the following? Option A, entities. Option B, attributes. Option C, identifiers. Option D, relationships. Answer is option D, relationships. Third bit, which of the following is not a basic element of all versions of the hyphen or model. Option A entities, option B attributes, option C relationships, option D prime keys. Answer is option D prime keys. Fourth bit, one solution to the multi-valued dependency constraint problem is to option A split the relation into relations each with the single, option B change them, option C create the new theme, option D add the composite key. Answer is option A split the relation into two relations each with the single them. Fifth bit, the SQL command to create a table is option A make table, option B alter table, option D C define table, option D create table. Answer is option D create table. Sixth bit, what is an SQL virtual table that is constructed from other tables? Option A just another table, option B a view, option C a relation, option D query results. Answer is option B a view. Which of the following indicates the maximum number of entities that can be involved in a relationship? Option A minimum coordinate, option B maximum coordinate. So answer is option B maximum coordinate. Eighth bit, the drop table statement is dash. Option A deletes the table structure only, option B delete the table structure along with the table data, option C work whether or not referential integrity constants, option D is not an SQL statement. Answer is option B delete the table structure along with the table data. Ninth bit, when using the SQL insert statement, option A rows can be modified according to criteria only, option B rows cannot be copied in mass from the one table to another, option C rows can be inserted into a table only one at one time only. Option D is answer. Option D correct answer. Rows can either be inserted into a table one at a time. 10th bit, which type of entity represents an actual occurrence of an associated generalized entity? Option A supertype entity, option B subtype entity, option C architecture type entity, option D instance entity. Answer is option D instance entity. 11th bit, which type of entity has its relationship to another entity determined by an attribute in that other entity called a discriminator? Option A supertype entity, option B subtype entity, option C architect type entity, option D instance entity. Answer is option B subtype entity. 12th bit, which of the following refers to something that can be identified in user's work environment, something that the user wants to track? Option A entity, option B attribute, option C identifier, option D relationship. Option A entity. 13th bit, an attribute that names or identifies entity instance is an dash. Option A entity, option B attribute, option C identifier, option D relationship. Answer is option C identifier. 14th bit, properties that describes the characteristics of entities are called dash. Option A entities, option B attributes, option C identifiers, option D relationships. Answer is B attributes. 15th bit, in which of the following is a single entity instantaneous of one type related to many entity instantaneous of another type? Option A one to one relationship, option B one to many relationship, option C many to many relationship, option D composite relationship. Answer is B one to many relationship. 16th bit, the SQL statement to create a view is option A create view, option B make view, option C select view, option D insert view. Answer is option A create view. 17th bit. A recursive relationship is a relationship between an entity and dash. Option A itself, option B subtype entity, option C an archetype entity, option D an instantaneous entity. So answer is A itself. 18th bit. In an one to many relationships, the entity that is on the one side of the relationship is called A of n dash entity. Option A parent, option B child, option C instantaneous, option D subtype. Answer is option A parent. 19th bit. Which of the following is not a type of SQL component? Option A primary key, option B fortune key, option C modification anomalies are called. Option A normal forms, option B referential integrity constraints, option C functional dependencies, option D none of the above is correct. Answer option A normal forms. Third bit. In the relational model, relationships between relations or tables are created by using option A composite keys, option B determinants, option C candidate keys, option D foreign keys. Answer is D foreign keys. Fourth bit. Which of the following is not considered to be a basic element of an enterprise class database system? Option A users, option B database applications, option C DBMS, option C COBOL programs. Answer is option D COBOL programs. Fifth bit. When the values in one or more attributes being used as foreign key must exist one other set of one or more attributes in another table, we have created an option A transitive dependency, option B insertion anomaly, option C referentially integrity constraint. Answer is C referential integrity constraint, option C. Sixth bit. The primary key is selected from the option A composite keys, option B determinants, option C candidate keys, option D foreign keys. Answer is C candidate keys. Option 7th bit. A relation is in the form if it is in BCNF and has no multi-valued dependencies. Option A second normal form, option B third normal form, option C fourth normal form, option D domain or key normal form. Answer is option C fourth normal form. 8th bit. An attribute is an dash. Option A column of a table, option B two-dimensional table, option C row of table, option D key of a table. Answer is option A column of a table. 9th bit. A relation is considered A. Option A column, option B one-dimensional table, option C two-dimensional table, option D three-dimensional table. Answer is C two-dimensional table. 10th bit. A DBMS that combines a DBMS an application generator is dash. Option A Microsoft SQL Server, option B Microsoft Access, option C IBMS DB2. Answer is option B Microsoft Access. 11th bit. The DBMS acts as an interface between what two components of an enterprise class database system. Option A database application and the database, option B database and the database, option C the user and the database application, option D database application and SQL. Answer is A database application and the database. 12th bit, if attributes A and B determine the attribute C, then it is also true that option A to C, option B to C, option C A comma B is a composite determinant, option D C is a determinant. Answer is option C, A comma B is a composite determinant. 13th bit, for some relations changing the data can have undesirable consequence called option A referential integrity constraints, option B modification anomalies, option C normal forms, option D transitive dependencies. Answer is option B modification anomalies. 14th bit, row is a synonymous with the term option A record, option B relation, option C column, option D field. Answer is option A record. 15th bit, a tuple is an option A column of a table, option B two-dimensional table, option C row of a table, option D key of a table. Answer is option C row of a table. 16th bit, helping people keep track of things is purpose of A of n dash. Option A database, option B table, option C instance, option D relationship. Answer is option A database. 17th bit, the DBMS that is most difficult to use is dash. Option A Microsoft's SQL Server, option B Microsoft's Access, option C IBM's DBM2, option D Oracle Corporation's Oracle. Option A answer is option D Oracle's Corporation's Oracle. 18th bit, a relation in the form is a free of all modification anomalies. Option A first normal form, option B second normal form, option C third normal form. Answer is option D domain or key normal form. Option is answer D. 19th bit, a functional dependency is a relationship between or among option A tables, option B rows, option C. Second bit, the rules for exchanging data between the computers are called dash. Option A interconnections, option B synchronous, option C protocols, option D data transmissions. Answer is C protocols. Third bit, the capacity of a communication channel is measured in option A bandwidth, option B bit capacity, option C baud rate, option D data flow. Answer is A bandwidth. Fourth bit, a relatively new technology that allows wireless connectivity is dash. Option A Bluetooth, option B Blacktooth, option C baseband, option D broadband. Answer is option A Bluetooth. Fifth bit, the systems developed to automatically translate text-based addresses is called dash. Option A DSL, option B DNS, option C SNL, option D SDN. Answer is B DNS. Sixth bit, the standard protocol for the internet is option A TCP, option B IP protocol, option C IP address, option D TCP or IP. Answer is D TCP or IP. Seventh bit, Bluetooth is a type of radio wave information transmission system. Option A 30 feet, option B 30 yards, option C 30 miles, option D 300 miles. Answer option A 30 feet. Eighth bit, the telephone is an example of A of n dash signal. Option A analog, option B digital, option C modulated, option D demodulated. Answer is A analog. Ninth bit. The acronym NOS refers to the dash. Option A, operating system on the client. Option B, network order. Option C, operating system of the network. Option D, network architecture. Answer is C, operating system of the network. 10th bit. A credit card sized expansion board that is inserted into portable the modem to the telephone wall jack is dash. Option A, internal modem. Option B, external modem. Option C, PC card modem. Option D, wireless modem. Answer is option C, PC card modem. 11th bit. The greatest capacity for data transmission happens in dash. Option A, voice band. Option B, medium band. Option C, broadband. Option D, mega band. Answer is C, broadband. 12th bit. The most common network strategies are dash. Answer A, star, ring, bus, hierarchical. Option B, terminal, peer to peer, client server. Option C, topology, protocol, architecture. Option D, host, client, terminal. Option A, star, ring, bus, hierarchical. Answer is option A. 13th bit. Voice band is dash. A. Option A, allows the user to download messages. Option B, is used for standard telephonic communication. Option C, is used in a special leased lines to connect mini computers. Option D, provides a high speed communication channel. Answer is B, is used for standard telephone communication. 14th bit. A of n dash protects an organization network from outside. Option A, fortress. Option B, extranet. Option C, proxy. Option D, firewall. Answer is D, firewall. 15th bit. Most of the web enabled devices follow a standard known as. Option A, firewire. Option B, Bluetooth. Option C, TCP or IP. Option D, Wi-Fi. Answer is D, Wi-Fi. 16th bit. A small network set up in your home is called a dash. Option A, hub network. Option B, center network. Option C, station network. Option D, local area network. Answer is option D, local area network. 17th bit. A network dash described how a computer network is configuration employed. Option A, protocol. Option B, NOS. Option C, architecture. Option D, connection. Answer is C, architecture. 18th bit. Any device that is connected to a network is called a. Option A, client. Option B, node. Option C, server. Option D, manager. Answer is option B, node. 19th bit. If the nodes can serve as both servers and clients, the network is dash. Option A, hybrid. Option B, terminal. Option B, star. Option C, ring. Option D, token ring. Answer is A, bus. Third bit. Which of the following is required to communicate between two computers? Option A, communication software. Option B, protocol. Option C, communication hardware. Answer is D, all of the above. Expand, ARP, ANET. Option A, American Research Project Agency Network. Option B, Atlantic Research Project Agency Network. Option C, Antarctic Research Project Agency Network. Answer is D. Option D answer, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Fifth bit. Network cable lies on dash layer. Option A, application. Option B, network. Option C, physical. Option D, transport. Answer is C, physical. Sixth bit. What is the minimum number of bytes needed to send data over a serial communication link layer? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 6. Answer is B 2. You are working with a graphic translations. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for code formatting and conversion and graphic standards? Option A network layer, option B session layer, option C transport layer. Answer is D, option D presentation layer. Option 8 on question bit 8th bit. SMTP is a protocol used in option A application, option B network, option C physical, option D transport. Answer is C physical. 9th bit. In dash topology, if a computer's network cable is broken, whole network goes down. Option A ring, option B bus, option C star, option D token ring. Answer is A ring. 10th bit. Which of the following communication modes support two-way traffic but in only one direction at a time? Option A simplex, option B half duplex, option C full duplex, option D all of the above. Answer is B half duplex. 11th bit. Which of the following signal is not standard RS-232 C signal? Option A VDR, option B RTS, option C CTS, option D DSR. Answer is A VDR. 12th bit. Number of bits per symbol used in barred code is dash. Option A 7, option B 5, option C 8, option D 9. Answer is B 5. 13th bit. Which processes does TCP but not UDP use? Option A windowing, option B acknowledgements, option C source port, option D destination port. Answer is B acknowledgements. 14th bit. In OSI network architecture, the routing is performed by option A network layer, option B data link layer, option C transport layer, option D session layer. Option A. Answer is option A network layer. 15th bit. If a computer on the network shares resources for other to use, it is called dash. Option A server, option B client, option C mainframe, option D mini computer. Answer is option A server. 16th bit. The process of converting analog signals into digital signals so they can be processed by a receiving computer is referred to as option A modulation, option B demodulation, option C synchronizing, option D digitizing. Answer is D digitizing. 17th bit. Which of the following is considered a broadband communication channel? Option A coaxial cable, option B fiber optics cable, option C microwave circuits, option D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. 18th bit. For a large networks, dash topology is used. Option A bus, option B ring, option C star, option D mesh. Answer is C star. 19th bit. Print servers uses dash, which is a buffer that holds data before it is sent to the printer. Options. Answer C. Which of the following device is used to connect two systems, especially if the systems use different protocols? Option A hub, option B bridge, option C gateway, option D repeater. Answer is C, gateway. Which of the fifth bit? The slowest transmission speeds are those of option A, twisted pair wire, option B, coaxial cable, option C, fiber optic cable, option D, microwaves. Option answer is A, twisted pair wire. Sixth bit. What is the frequency range of the IEEE 802.11a standard? Option A 2.4 Gbps, option B 5 Gbps, option C 2.4 GHz, option D 5 GHz. Answer is D, 5 GHz. Seventh bit. A distributed network configuration in which all data or information pass through a central computer is dash. Option A bus network, option A B star network, option C ring network, option D point to point network. Answer is B, star network. Eighth bit. Frames from one LAN can be transmitted to another LAN via the device is dash. Option A router, option B bridge, option C repeater, option D modem. Answer is B, bridge. Ninth bit. What is the frequency range of the IEEE 802.11b standard? Option A 2.4 Gbps, option B 5 Gbps, option C 2.4 GHz, option D 5 GHz. Answer is C, 2.4 GHz. 10th bit. How many non-overlapping channels are available with 802.11b? Option A 3, option B 12, option C 23, option D 40. Answer is A, option A 3. 11th bit. Internet like networks within an enterprise. Option A intranets, option B switching alternating, option C interorganizational networks, option D extranets. Answer is A, intranets. 12th bit. To connect a computer with a device in the same room, you might be likely to use option A coaxial cable, option B dedicated line, option C ground station, option D all of the above. Answer is option A coaxial cable. 13th bit. In CRC there is no error if the remainder at the receiver is dash. Option A equal to the remainder at the sender, option B 0, option C non-zero, option D the quotient at the sender. Answer is B, 0. 14th bit. Which of the following is used for modulation and demodulation? Option A modem, option B protocols, option C gateway, option D multiplexer. Answer is option A modem. 15th bit. How many non-overlapping channels are available with 802.11a? Option A 3, option B 12, option C 23rd, option D 40. Answer is B, 12. 16th bit. How many hosts are attached to each of the local area networks at your site? Option A 128, option B 254, option C 256, option D 64. Answer is B, 254. 17th bit. What device separates a single network into two segments but lets the two segments appear as one to higher protocols? Option A switch, option B bridge, option C gateway, option D router. Answer is B, bridge. 18th bit. How many non-overlapping channels are available with 802.11h? Option A 3, option B 12, option C 23rd, option D 40. Answer is C, 23rd. 19th bit. What is the maximum distance with maximum data rate? C. An IP address on the physical interface. Answer is C. An IP address on the physical interface. Third bit. When a router is connected to a frame relay WAN link using a serial DTE interface, how is the clock rate determined? Option A, supplied by the CSU or DSU. Option B, by the far end router. Option C, by the clock rate command. Answer is A. Option A, supplied by the CSU or DSU. Fourth bit. Which of the following is true regarding RIPv2? Option A, it has lower administrative distance than RIPv1. Option B, it converges faster than RIPv1. Answer is C. Answer is C. Option C. Answer. It has the same timers as RIPv1. Fifth bit. Which of the following is true regarding VLANs? VLANs. Option A, you must have at least 2 VLANs defined in every Cisco. Option B, all VLANs are configured at the fastest switch by the defined other switches. Option C, you should not have more than 10 switches in the same. Option D. Answer is D. Option D. Answer. VTP is used to send VLAN information to switches in a VLANs. Fifth bit answer is D. Sixth bit. What is the maximum number of IP addresses that can be assigned to hosts on a local subnet that uses the 255.255.254 subnet mask? Option A 14, option B 15, option C 16, option D 30. Answer is option D 30. Seventh bit. To test the IP stack on your local host, which IP address would you ping? Option A 127.0.0.0, option B 1.0.0.127, option C 127.0.01, option D 127.0.0.255. Answer is C 127.0.0.1. Eighth bit. Which of the following protocols uses both TCP and UDP? Option A FTP, option B SMTP, option C Telenet, option D DNS. Answer is D DNS. Ninth bit. When data is encapsulated, which is the correct order? Option A data frame pocket segment bit, option B segment data pocket frame bit, option C data segment pocket frame bit, option D data segment frame pocket bit. Answer is option C data segment pocket frame bit. 10th bit. Which switching technology reduces the size of the broadcast domain? Option A ISL, option B 802.1q, option C VLNS, option D STP. Answer is C VLNS. 11th bit. What is the subnetwork address for the host with the IP addresses 200.10.5.68/28? So option A 200.10.5.56, option B 200.10.5.32, option C 200.10.5.64, option D 200.10.5.0. Answer is option C 200.10.5.64. 12th point. What type of RJ45 UTP cable is used between switches? Option A straight through, option B crossover cable, option C crossover with a CSU or DSU, option D crossover with a router in between the two switches. 13th bit. What is a routing poisoning? What is a route poisoning? Option A, it sends back the protocol received from a router as protocol updates. Option B, it is an information received from the router that can be sent. Option C, It prevents regular update message from the renestering. Answer is option D. Answer option D. It describes when a router sets the metric for download. 14th bit. What is the subnetwork number of a host with an IP addresses of 172.16.66.0 by 21? Answer is C. 172.16.64.0. Answer is C. 15th bit. In which of the following technology is the term of HFC used? Option A DSL, option B PPOE, option C frame relay, option D dedicated T1. Option D. Answer is option D, dedicated T1. 16th bit. You need to subnet a network that has 5 subnets, each with at least 16 hosts. Which classful subnet mask would you use? Option B is correct answer. Answer is B. 255.255.255.222.4. 17th bit. If an Ethernet port on a router were assigned an IP address of 172.16.112.1 by 25, what would be valid subnet address of this host? Option A. Answer is option A, 172.16.112.0. 18th bit. On a VLSM network, which marks should you use on point-to-point WAN links in order to reduce the waste of IP addresses? Option A /27, option B /28, option C /29, option D /30. Answer is /30, option D. 19th bit. Which protocol reduces administrative overhead in a switched network by allowing the configuration of a new VLAN to distribute to all switches in a domain? Option A STP, option B VTP, option C DHCP, option D layer 2 device. Option A never, option B every 2 seconds, option C every 10 minutes, option D every 30 seconds. Answer is B, every 2 seconds. Third bit. If you use either Telnet or FTP, which is the highest layer you are using to transmit data? A. Application, B. Presentation, C. Session, D. Transport. Answer is A. Application. Fourth bit. Which layer 4 protocol is used for Telenet connection? Answer option A IP, option B TCP, option C TCP or IP, option D UDP. Answer is B TCP. Fifth bit. What layer in the TCP or IP stack is equivalent to the transport layer of the OSI model? So option A application, option B host to host, option C internet, option D network access. Answer is B host to host. Option 6. How many broadcast domains are created when you segment a network within a 12 to port switch? Option A 1, option B 2, option 5 C, option C 5, option D 12. Answer is A 1. 7th bit. Which of the following allows a router to respond to an ARP request that is intended for a remote host? Option A gateway DP, option B reverse ARP, option C proxy ARP, option D inverse ARP. Answer is C proxy ARP. 8th bit. Acknowledgements, sequencing and flow controls are characteristics of which OSI layer? Option A layer, option B layer 3, option C layer 4, option D layer 7. Answer is C layer 4. 9th bit. What protocol is used to find the hardware address of a local device? Option A RARP, option B ARP, option C IP, option D ICMP. Answer is B ARP. 10th bit. Which protocol is used to send a destination network unknown message back to originating hosts? Option A TCP, option B ARP, option C ICMP, option D boot P. Answer is C ICMP. 11th bit. Which class of IP address has the most host addresses available by default? ఆప్షన్ ఏ వచ్చేసి ఏ, ఆప్షన్ బి, ఆప్షన్ సి, ఆప్షన్ డి ఏ అండ్ బి. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఏ, ఆప్షన్ ఏ. విచ్ ప్రోటోకాల్ డూస్ పింగ్ యూస్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ టిసిపి, ఆప్షన్ బి ఏఆర్పి, ఆప్షన్ సి ఐసిఎంపి, ఆప్షన్ డి బూట్ పి. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ సి ఐసిఎంపి. Which class of IP address provides a maximum of only 254 host addresses per network ID? Option A class, option B class B, option C class C, option D class D. Answer is C class C. 14th bit. Which of the following is private IP address? Option A 12.0.01, option B 168.172.19.39, option C 172.15.14.36. Answer is option D 192.168.24.43, option D. 15th bit. Which of the following protocols uses both TCP and UDP? Option A FTP, option B SMTP, option C Telenet, option D DNS. Answer is D DNS. 16th bit. What is the main reason the OSI model was created? Option A to create a layered model larger than the DoD mode. Option B so application developers can change only one layers. C so different networks could communicate. Option D so Cisco could use the model. Option C so different networks could communicate. 17th bit. What is the subnetwork? Option A network with more than one exit point. Option B a network with more than one exit and one entry point. Option C a network with only one entry and one no exit point. Answer is option D a network that has only one entry and exit point. Answer is D. 18th bit. Which of the following is the decimal and hexadecimal equivalents of the binary number 10011101? Answer option A 155 0 into 9b, option B 157 0 into 9d, option C 159 0 into 9f, option D 185 0 into b9. So answer is B 157 0 into 9d. 19th bit. Where is a hub specification? A string entered is printed as it is. Option B the string entered is printed in reverse order. Option C it will go in an infinite loop. Option D it will print an empty line. Option B. Answer is option B the string entered is printed in reverse order. Third bit. The number of interchanges required to sort 5 1 6 2 4 in ascending order using bubble sort is? Option A 6, option B 5, option C 7, option D 8. Answer is B 5. Fourth bit. A full binary tree with 2n plus 1 nodes contains option A n leaf nodes, option B n non-leaf nodes, option C n minus 1 leaf nodes, option D n minus 1 non-leaf nodes. Answer is B n non-leaf nodes. Fifth bit. The searching technique that makes O of 1 time to find a data is option A linear search, option B binary search, option C hashing, option D tree search. Answer is C hashing. Sixth bit. B trees are generally Option A, very deep and narrow. Option B, very wide and shallow. Option C, very deep and very wide. Option D, cannot say. Answer is D, cannot say. Seventh bit. For an unidirected graph with n vertices and e edges, the sum of the degree of each vertex is equal to option A 2n, option B 2n minus 1 by 2, option C 2e, option D e2 by 2. Answer is C 2e. The number of leaf nodes in a complete binary tree of depth D is option A 2D, option B 2D minus 1 plus 1, option C 2D plus 1 plus 1, option D 2D plus 1. Answer is A 2D. Ninth bit. If a node in a binary search tree has two children, then its in order procedure has option A no right child, option B no left child, option C two children, option D one child. Answer is A, option A no right child. 10th bit. If a node having two children is deleted from a binary tree, it is replaced by its option A in order procedure, option B in order successor, option C pre-order predecessor, option D post order. Answer is B in order successor. 11th bit. Which of the following algorithm design technique is used in quicksort algorithm? Option A dynamic programming, option B backtracking, option C divide and conquer, option D greedy method. Answer is C divide and conquer. 12th bit. Merging four storage started files containing 50, 10, 25 and 15 records will take dash time. Option A 0 of 100, option B 0 of 200, option C 0 of 175, option D 0 of 125. Answer is option A 0 of 100. The OS of a computer may periodically collect all the free memory space to form contiguous block of a free space. This is called option A concatenation, option B garbage collection, option C collision, option D dynamic memory allocation. Answer is B garbage collection. 14th bit. You have to sort a list L consisting of a sorted list followed by a few random elements. Which of the following sorting methods would be especially suitable for such a task? Option A bubble sort, option D selection sort, option C fix sort, option D insertion sort. Answer is D insertion sort. 15th bit. If h is an hashing function and is used to hash n keys into a table of size m where n greater than or equal to m, the expected number of collisions involving a particular key x is option A less than 1, option B less than n, option C less than m, option D less than n by 2. Answer is A less than 1. 16th bit. A technique for direct search is dash. Option A binary search, option B linear search, option C tree search. Answer is D hashing. 17th bit. The process of accessing data stored in a tape is similar to manipulating data on dash. Option A stack, option B queue, option C list, option D heap. Answer is B queue. 18th bit. The mathematical model with a collection of operations defined on that model is called dash. Option A data structure, option B abstract data type, option C primitive data type, option D algorithm. Answer is B abstract data type. 19th bit. The complexity of multiplying two matrices of order m into n and n into p is dash. Option A m and p. Option occurs in the same order in the sorted list as in the original unsorted list is said to be A. Stable, B. Consistent, C. External, D. Linear. Option A. Stable. Third bit. Which of the following traversal techniques list the nodes of binary search tree in ascending order? Option A. Post order. Option B. In order. Option C. Pre order. Option D. None of the above. Option B. In order. Third bit. Which of the following traversal techniques lists the node of binary search tree in ascending order? Option A. Post order. Option B. In order. Option C. Pre order. Option D. None of the above. Option B. In order. Fourth bit. The way a card game player arranges his cards as he picks up them one by one is an example of option A. Bubble sort. Option B. Selection sort. Option C. Insertion sort. Option D. Merge sort. Option C. Insertion sort. So fifth bit, stack cannot be used to. Answer is D. Allocate the resource by the operating system. Sixth bit, in a circularly linked list organization, insertion of a record involves the modification of option A no pointers, option B 1 pointer, option C 2 pointers, option D 3 pointers. Answer is C 2 pointers. Seventh bit, pre-order is nothing but option A depth first order, option B breadth first order, option C topological order, option D linear order. Option E answer is A depth first order. Eighth bit, there are four different algorithms A1, A2, A3, A4 to solve a given problem with the order log n and log of log n, n log of n, n by log n respectively. Which is the best algorithm? Option A A1, option B A2, option C A3, option D A4. Answer is B A2. Ninth bit, the postfix equivalent of the prefix into plus AB minus CD is dash. Option A AB plus CD minus into, option B AB CD plus minus into, option C AB plus CD into minus, option D AB plus minus CD into. Answer is A AB plus CD minus into. 10th bit, the order of the binary search algorithm is dash. Option A n, option B n2, option C n log of n, option D log n. Answer is D log n. 11th bit, which of the following sorting algorithm has the worst time complexity of n log n? Option A hep sort, option B quick sort, option C insertion sort, option D selection sort. Answer is A hep sort. 12th bit, sorting is useful for option A report generation, option B minimizing the storage needed, option C making search easier and efficient, option D responding to queries easily. Answer is C making searching easier and efficient. 13th bit, you want to check whether a given set of items is sorted or not. Which of the following sorting methods will be most efficient if it is already in sorted order? Answer A option A bubble sort, option B selection sort, option C insertion sort, option D merge sort. Answer is D merge sort. 14th bit, choose the correct statements. Option A internal sorting is used if the number of items to be sorted. Option B external sorting is used if the number of items to be sorted. Option C external sorting needed auxiliary storage. Option D, internal sorting needed auxiliary storage. Answer is C, external sorting needed auxiliary storage. 15th bit, the postfix expression for the infix expression a plus b into c plus d f plus d into e is dash. Answer is B, a b c d plus into f by plus d into plus. Answer B. 16th bit, which of the following is useful in implementing quicksort? Option A, stack. Option B, set. Option C, list. Option D, queue. Answer is A, stack. 17th bit, the number of possible binary trees with 3 nodes is option A 12, option B 13, option C 5, option D 15. Answer is C 5. The stack is useful for implementing option A radix sort, option B breadth first search, option C recursion, option D depth first search. Answer is D, depth first search. 19th bit, pick the correct statements. Option A, sequential file or available space. This situation is usually called option A underflow, option B overflow, option C houseful, option D saturated. Option వచ్చేసి B overflow. 4th bit, the situation when in a linked list start equal to null is called option A underflow, option B overflow, option C houseful, option D saturated. So answer is A underflow. So 5th bit, which of the following is not a linear data structure? Option A arrays, option B linked list, option C both of these, option D none of these. Answer is D none of these. So 6th bit, the complexity of a linear search algorithm is dash. Option A 0 of n, option B 0 of log n, option C 0 of n2, option D 0 n log n. Answer వచ్చేసి A friends, 0 of n. So 7th bit, which of the following data structure cannot store the non-homogeneous data elements? Option A arrays, option B records, option C pointers, option D none. Answer is A arrays. 8th bit, which of the following data structure store the homogeneous data elements? Option A arrays, option B records, option C pointers, option D none. Answer is B records. 9th bit, two main measures of the efficiency of an algorithm are dash. Option A processor and memory, option B complexity and capacity, option C time and space, option D date and space. Answer is C time and space. 10th bit, which of the following is a two-way list? Option A grounded header list, option B circular header list, option C linked list with header and trail nodes, option D none of the above. 11th bit, each data item in a record may be a group item composed of subitems. Those items which are incomprehensible are called option A elementary items, option B atoms, option C scalars, option D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. 12th bit, which of the following names does not relate to stacks? A FIFO lists, B LIFO lists, C up down lists, D push down lists. Answer is A FIFO lists. 13th bit, the difference between the linear array and a record is option A an array is suitable for homogeneous data but HTE data type. Option B in a record there may be not be a natural ordering in opposition. Option C a record from hierarchical structure but the linear array. Option answer వచ్చేసి D friends, all of the above. 14th bit, a binary tree in which every non-leaf node has non-empty left and right subtrees is called a strictly binary tree. Such a tree with 10 leaves. Option A. So option B has exactly 19 nodes. Option C has exactly 17 nodes. Option D cannot have more than 17 nodes. Option B, correct answer, has exactly 19 nodes. 15th bit, which of the following statement is false? Option A, arrays are dense lists and static data structure. Option B, data elements in linked list needed not be stored in adjacent. Option C, pointer stores the next data element of a list. Option D, linked list are collection of the nodes that contain in front of the list. So option is C, pointer stores the next data element of a list. 16th bit, binary search algorithm cannot be applied to A, sorted linked list, B, sorted binary trees, C, sorted linear array, D, pointer array. Option is A, sorted linked list. 17th bit, the term push and pop is related to the option A, array, option B, lists, option C, stacks, option D, all of the above. Answer is C, stacks. 18th bit, the time factor when determining the efficiency of algorithms is measured by option A, counting microseconds, option B, counting the number of key operations, option C, counting the number of operations, option D, counting the kilobytes of an operation. So option B, counting the number of key operations. Answer is B, counting the number of key operations. 19th bit, when in order traversing a tree insulated EAT is defined to be a mathematical model of user defined type along with the collection of all operations on that model. So option A, cardinality, option B, assignment, option C, primitive, option D, structured. Answer is C, primitive. So third bit, an algorithm is made up of two independent time complexities f of n and g of n. Then the complexities of the algorithm in the order of option A, f of n x g of n, option B, max f of n and g of n, option C, min f of n g of n, option D, f of n plus g of n. Answer is B, max f of n comma g of n. So fourth bit, which of the following data structure are indexed structures? Option A, linear arrays, option B, linked list, option C, both of the above, option D, none of the above. Answer is A, linear arrays. So fifth bit, the largest element of an array index is called its dash. Option A, lower bound, option B, range, option C, upper bound, option D, all of this. Answer is C, upper bound. Sixth bit, the goal of hashing is to produce a search that takes option A, 0 of 1 time, option B, 0 of n 2 time, option C, 0 of log n time, option D, O of n log n time. Option A, answer, correct answer, option A, 0 of 1 time. Seventh bit, what is the postfix from the following prefix star plus AB minus CD? Option A, AB plus CD minus into, option B, ABC plus into minus, option C, AB plus into CD minus, option D, AB plus into CD minus. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఏ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఏబి ప్లస్ సిడి మైనస్ ఇంటూ దీనికి Eighth bit. The best average behavior is shown by dash. Answer A quicksort. సో ఆప్షన్ వచ్చేసి ఏ క్విక్ సార్ట్, ఆప్షన్ బి మెర్జ్ సార్ట్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఇన్సర్షన్ సార్ట్, ఆప్షన్ డి హెడ్ సార్ట్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్విక్ సార్ట్. నైన్త్ బిట్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ కండిషన్ ఫర్ ద బైనరీ సెర్చ్ అల్గారిథం? ఆప్షన్ ఏ the list must be sorted. Option B there should be the direct access to the middle element. So answer is C there must be mechanism to delete and or insert element. Option is C. So 10th bit. The memory address of the first element of an array is called dash. Option A floor address, option B foundation address, option C first address, option D base address. So 11th bit. In breadth first search of graph, which of the following data structure is used? Option A stack, option B queue, option C linked list, option D none of the above. Answer is B queue. 12th bit. Which of the following operations is performed more efficiently by double linked list than by single linked list? Option A deleting a node whose location is given. Option B searching of an unsorted list for a given item. Option C inverting a node after the node within the given location. Option D traversing a list to process each node. Answer is A deleting a node whose location is given. 13th bit. Consider that n elements are to be sorted. What is the worst case time complexity of bubble sort? Option A 0 of 1, option B 0 of log 2n, option C O of n, option D O of n2. So option is D O of n2. 14th bit. A queue stores items in order of. Option A FIFO first in first out list, option B LIFO last in first out list, option C order array, option D linear tree, option A first in first out list. 15th bit. Two-dimensional arrays are also called. Option A tables arrays, option B matrix arrays, C both of the above, D none of the above. Answer is C both of the above. 16th bit. What is the result of the following operation? Top push s comma x. Option A x, option B null, option C yes, D none of the above. Option is A x. 17th bit. Which data structure is needed to convert infix notation to postfix notation? Option A branch, option B queue, option C tree, option D stack. Answer is option D stack. 18th bit. Which of the following is not a limitation of binary search algorithm? Option A must used stored array, option B requirement of stored array is expensive when a lot of, option C there must be a mechanism to access middle element, option D answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి బైనరీ సెర్చ్ algorithm is not efficient when the data element. So 19th bit. A characteristic has been stored in dash order. Option A row major, option B column major, option C matrix major, option D none of the above. Answer is option A row major. Third bit. A binary search tree whose left subtree and right subtree differ in height by at most one unit is called. So option A AVL tree, option B red black tree, option C lemma tree, option D none of the above. Option A AVL tree. So fourth bit. Dash is not the component of data structure. So option ఏ వచ్చేసి ఆపరేషన్స్, ఆప్షన్ బి స్టోరేజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్, ఆప్షన్ సి అల్గారిథమ్స్, ఆప్షన్ డి నన్ ఆఫ్ ద అబవ్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ డి నన్ ఆఫ్ ద అబవ్. ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్ గ్రీన్ కలర్లో, ఇదే ఆన్సరు. సో ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్, ఎనీ నోడ్ ఈజ్ ద పాత్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రూట్ టు ద నోడ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ సక్సెసర్ నోడ్, ఆప్షన్ బి intersector node, option C internal node, option D none of the above. Answer is option B intersector node. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు బ్లూ కలర్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్, గ్రీన్ కలర్లో, అదే ఆన్సర్. సో సిక్స్త్ బిట్, డాష్ ఈజ్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వెన్ డేటా హ్యావ్ టు స్టోర్డ్ అండ్ ద రిట్రైవ్డ్ ఇన్ రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్. ఆన్సర్ ఏ స్టాక్, ఆప్షన్ బి క్యూ, ఆప్షన్ సి లిస్ట్, ఆప్షన్ డి లింక్డ్ లిస్ట్. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఏ స్టాక్. సెవెంత్ బిట్, which if the following is are the levels of implementation of data structure. Option A abstract level, option B application level, option C implementation level, option D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. So eighth bit, dash is a directory in which out degree of each node is less than or equal to 2. Option A unary tree, option B ternary tree, option C binary tree, option D both B and C. Answer is C friends, binary tree. So ninth bit, which of the following is not the part of ADT description. Option A data, option B operations, option C both of the above, option D none of the above. Answer is D none of the above. పైవేవి కావు. 10th bit, the property of binary tree is. Option A the first subset is called left subtree, option B the second subtree is called right subtree, option C the root cannot contain null, option D the right subtree can be empty. So option D is correct friends, answer D. 11th bit, dash is not an operation performed on linear test list. Option A insertion, option B insertion and deletion, option C deletion and transversal, option D none of the above. Answer is D none of the above. 12th bit, representation of data structure in memory is known as. Option A recursive, option B abstract data type, option C storage structure, option D file structure. Answer is B abstract data type. 13th bit, an adjacency matrix representation of a graph cannot contain information of dash. Option A nodes, option B edges, option C direction of edges, option D parallel edges. Answer is D parallel edges. 14th bit, which is are the applications of stack. Option A functional calls, option B large number arithmetic, option C evaluation of arithmetic expressions, option D all of the above. Answer is D all of the above. 15th bit, inserting an item into the stack when stack is not full is called dash operation, and deletion of an item from the stack when the stack is not empty is called dash operation. Option A push comma pop, option B pop comma push, option C insert comma delete, option D delete comma insert. Answer option A push comma pop. Which of the following is not the type of queue? Answer A ordinary queue, option B single ended queue, option C circular queue, option D priority queue. Answer is B single ended queue. Stack is also called as dash. Option A last in first out, option B first in last out, option C last in first out, option D first in first out. Answer is A last in first out. 17th bit, answer is A last in first out. 18th bit, quick sort is also known as. Option A merge sort, option B heap sort, option C bubble sort. Answer D none of the these. 19th bit, 19th bit, dash level is where the model becomes computable executable code. Option A abstract level, option B application level,